This is Sylvia from SINBON Electronics. In 2024, over 17 million EVs were sold globally, with a growth rate of 20%. And China takes over 70% market share. Thanks to the advantaged business environment, SINBON has established a solid footprint in this industry over the past decade. Our commitment to excellence has earned us the trust of 6 out of the world's top 10 largest EV startups. They have chosen our charging inlet solutions as their preference. Our product development strategy focuses on both horizontal expansion and vertical innovation. SINBON charging inlets adhere to multiple international standards, including GB, US, and EU regulations. And each spec upgrades through several generations, from the traditional copper wire inlet assembly to the revolutional aluminum busbar assembly. To show you our latest breakthrough, I'm excited to introduce our R&D managers, Naomi and Lonnie. They are going to give us a live demo of aluminum busbar and explain what makes it a game changer. First, let's welcome Naomi. Hi, Naomi. Hi. It's clear the market is moving rapidly towards aluminum busbar. So, can you walk us through the key advantages compared to the traditional copper wire inlets?
Absolutely. This trend actually started with Tesla, but now it has become an industry standard with even more optimizations. The key benefits are lightweight and cost saving. First, aluminum busbar up to 30% lighter, which optimizes vehicle energy consumption and power distribution. Second, aluminum is far more cost-effective. For instance, with equivalent current carrying capacity, a 200 square millimeter aluminum busbar costs just about 1/3 of a 95 square millimeter copper wire. That dramatically reduces overall material costs. You can try this.
Yeah, this one is much lighter.
Yeah, and also the terms of the structural simplification. The design is simpler too. Fewer fixing points are needed for cable ties and the protection bracket. Also, the bolted connection between the aluminum busbar and the socket is simpler and more efficient.
Because of these advantages, there are already many suppliers who have developed their own aluminum busbar solutions. So, Lonnie, what makes SINBON solution different?
Sure. First of all, SINBON uses a patented modular design to turn customer design into off-the-shelf components combinations. SINBON inlet can support like 90 degrees combinations and like 180 degrees combinations to realize accommodation, complex routing environments, and special installation requirements, delivering customer with a more flexibility charging connection solution. More than that, SINBON inlets also designed for easy assembly, whether it's on our production line or at customer site. The modular design allows quick assembly and disassembly of the components. It caters to various scenarios, equipment, upgrading, maintenance, and configuration adjustments. Customers can operate with flexibility and ease. Aluminum busbar routing is also among our capabilities to provide added value. The installation environment between PDU site and the charging port area can be very narrow and very complex. After repeated CAE and optimizations, our team had developed a very clear and structured routing logic. We effectively avoid welding seams and structural interference by design fixing points and using bending techniques such as flat bend, vertical bend, and twisting. Throughout the entire routing, the aluminum busbar remains tightly fitted to the vehicle body. This enhances space utilization and aesthetic appeal. Once the routing design is finalized, we simulate the installation process by using our profile imitating gauge. As you can see here, SINBON design is very easy to assembly. Just using 2 to 3 fixing points, we can realize the final assembly. And as for the rear end, we have 2D directional assembly, and it's very easy to have floating capability to realize quick assembly.
Thank you, Lonnie and Naomi, for your professional introduction. I believe everyone now has a deeper understanding of aluminum busbar and why SINBON solution stands out. And here's some exciting news. From October 6th to 9th, we will be at the Battery Show in Detroit. Don't miss this opportunity to see our innovations up close. We'd love to connect and explore potential collaborations with you. See you there.